Cursive.io Review 2025 Pricing is Cursive.io legit? What is Cursive.io? Most people get this wrong, but here's why Cursive.io has been quietly gaining attention in 2025. If you've seen ads promising fast, high-powered online learning, you might be wondering what Cursive.io actually is, how much it costs, and whether it's legit. Cursive.io is an online learning platform focused on short, skill-based courses, mainly in areas like artificial intelligence, digital productivity, freelancing and online income skills. Instead of long academic programs, it delivers bite-sized lessons designed for quick consumption, which makes it appealing for busy professionals and beginners. The platform uses AI-driven personalization. That means your course recommendations and pacing adapt based on how you interact with the content. The surprising truth is that this helps many users finish courses faster in traditional platforms where completion rates are often below 15%. Now let's talk pricing. In 2025, Cursive.io typically operates on a subscription model. Prices vary by promotion, but most users report monthly plans in the mid-range compared to competitors, often bundled with access to multiple courses rather than paying per class. This can be cost-effective if you plan to learn several skills, but not ideal if you only want one specific course. So, is Cursive.io legit? Yes, it is a real platform with paying users, functioning courses, and customer support. However, you won't believe what happens next if you expect university-level depth. Content is practical and beginner-friendly, but advanced learners may find it somewhat surface-level. The biggest pros are ease of use, modern topics, and fast lessons that work well for spaced learning. The main cons are limited depth and recurring subscription costs. In conclusion, Cursive.io is best for beginners who want quick, practical skills without overwhelming theory. If your goal is fast learning with minimal friction, it may be worth trying. Just be clear on your expectations before subscribing.